taking these two pillars today and DIYing them for decorations for my upcoming wedding. So let's see how I do. Coat numero uno, done. Alrighty, so I have a few different kinds of flowers. These are all fake flowers here that I have. We've got some fake roses, orchids, some small lilies, and I actually don't know what, I think this might be wisteria. They're all fake, so it's not real, but I want something kind of like draping over the sides of the pillar. The original plan with these pillars was I found this lady who was selling these centerpieces that she had used for an event. Oh, my hair's so frizzy. I just kind of saw it. It's humid outside. She had these centerpieces that she had for an event of hers, and she was willing to sell just a couple of them to me, but she preferred selling all of them at once. And I was literally about to pick them up, and she messaged me saying that somebody came and bought the whole set. So I pretty much took the pictures of the centerpieces from the marketplace listing, and I tried to make something as similar to this as possible. What I mainly noticed from the listing was that it was a lot of roses and I think orchids. So it was a mixture of those mainly, and I think it had maybe some pearly accents throughout. I haven't done any pearly accents, but I did add some lilies and this wisteria that's like hanging off of here. So pretty much how I did this was I took these foam half domes and I crazy glued and hot glued them to the top of the pillar and just like held on to them for a while and let them dry. And then I took all of the flowers, I cut them off the stems, and I just poked them in here. Now, some of the flowers weren't super secure, so I would take a hot glue gun, I'd put it in the hole, and then I would put the flower in the hole and it would stay more securely. So I'm really happy with how these are turning out. I already finished one. I'm gonna touch up with some paint on the bottom, some of the scuffs, but I'm really liking how these are looking.